Good morning, students. Welcome to the computer class of 2nd standard. Open your books, page number 30. Earlier you have done in this chapter about the keyboard. You have learned about the alphabet keys, number keys. Now, today's main objective to learn about the special keys. Under special keys, we have a spacebar key, enter key, tab key, caps lock key. So now today we will learn about these keys. Start with the key terms of this chapter. Spacebar key. First is a spacebar key. Spacebar key is used to give space between the two numbers or words. If you want to give some space between the two words or numbers, then we will use spacebar key. It is the longest key on the keyboard. Second is enter key. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. When you have completed your first line, if you want to move in the next line, you have to press enter key. Number third, caps lock key. This key is used to get alphabets in upper or lowercase. This key is used to make your letters in capital or lower. Next is delete key. If you've done something wrong, then which key we will use? We will use delete key. Delete key is used to remove wrongly typed character. Next is tab key. Tab key is used to move the cursor many spaces at a time. Sometime you want to give more space, then I will use tab. At the last, key term is cursor. A small blinking line on the monitor is called cursor. Read page number 30. Number 1 is special keys. These keys are used to perform some special functions. These keys are like spacebar key, enter key. So now I will show you one example using the spacebar key. Here I have written one sentence. Computer is a machine. Is this correct? No. Here we need to give space between these words. After computer, we need to give space. After is, after a. So how we can give this space? This key is called spacebar key. The longest key on the keyboard is called spacebar key. So now see. Press the spacebar key. Press the spacebar key. And then press the spacebar key. Now space is placed between these text. Computer is a machine. Next is the enter key. This key on the keyboard is called a enter key. It is used to move a text in the next line. I'll show you with the example. Here I have typed one line. I want to move our cursor in the next line. Cursor means this. This vertical line is called a cursor. With the help of enter key, I'll move my cursor in the next line. Now press enter. Now our cursor is in the next line. Type your line here. Next is cursor. What is cursor? Cursor is a small blinking line on the monitor. It tells the position of the typed text. Let's see. This small blinking line on the monitor is called a cursor. Clear? Next is a caps lock key. This is a caps lock key. This key is present on the left side of the keyboard. This is the left side of the keyboard. And it is used to get alphabets in upper or lower case. I'll show you with the help of example. Here I have written one sentence. I love my city. Now I want to write these letters in capital form. Press enter key. Used to move cursor in the next line. See, here I will write. Now on this caps lock key, press. Now caps lock is on. Now you can write letters in uppercase. I love my city. All letters in uppercase. Now off the caps lock. This is caps lock. Press it again. Now the caps lock is off. Now you will write in lowercase. Next is backspace key. On some keyboard, backspace key is marked with this back arrow. And on some keyboard, it is placed with the name, full name, backspace. This one or this one. This key is used to remove wrongly typed character to the left of the cursor. I'll show you how. Here I have written wrong spelling of city. How to correct it using backspace. This is a backspace. Press it. It removes the characters to the left side. See. Clear? Next is delete key. This is a delete key. This is a delete key. It is used to wrongly typed character to the right side of the cursor. How? I'll show you. See, here I have written my. Now I'm going to press delete key using this key. This is a delete key. I'm going to press it. Now see on the monitor. It removes the alphabets to the right side. Or I'll show you one more example. I want to erase this letter. So using delete key, it removes the right side characters only. See. Clear? Next key is arrow keys. Arrows keys are also known as cursor control keys. We are having 4 arrow keys. Up arrow key, down arrow key, right arrow key and left arrow key. You can see on your book also. Up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, left arrow. These are used to change the direction of the cursor. These keys are used while playing games. Let's see. Now my cursor is here. I want to move my cursor up, so I will use up arrow key. This is up arrow key. Up. Now I'm going to use down arrow key. This is down arrow key. If you want to move a cursor to the right side, then use right arrow key. If you want to move your cursor to the left side, then use left arrow key. Next is control key. Short form of control is CTRL. This key is always used with other keys. How? We have a one combination of the control key is Control plus Z. Firstly, we will press the control key. With it, I will press Z. Both these two keys are the combination of control. How we use it? Press the control key and press Z. This key combination is used to perform undo action. Undo action means what you have done at the last, it will repeat. Next is a tab key. This key is used to move the cursor faster than the spacebar key. It is used to give more spaces at a one time. How? See, spacebar key is also used to give space. Tab key is also used to give space. What is the difference between these two keys? Look at here. Here I will press spacebar key. This key, this is a spacebar key. No space between a or machine, then I will press space. it gives small space. Now here I will use tab key, this key. Now see the difference. It gives more space at a time. Next is function keys. These are 12 keys on the keyboard that are present on the top of the keyboard. Here at the top line, F1 till F12. 12 function keys are there. F1 till F12. Each function key is used to perform some specific task. So students, today we have learned about the special keys, enter key, spacebar key, delete key, tab key, cursor, function keys, arrow keys. And also we have discussed some key terms. So try to make a one paragraph in WordPad and use these all kinds of keys. Thank you.